In this video, you'll learn how to save chats in Kimi AI. This process allows you to preserve important conversations for future reference. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will be able to effectively save and share your chat history. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI platform. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access the main interface. Once you are on the home screen, look for the section labeled Current Time Request. You should see various options displayed on the screen. Next, click on the option labeled Chat History. This will redirect you to a new screen where you can view all your past conversations. Take a moment to ensure that the chat history is fully loaded, as this is where you will select the specific chat you want to save. After that, locate and click on All Chats. This option will display a comprehensive list of all your previous chats. Scroll through the list to find the chat you wish to save. Once you find it, click on the chat to open it. Once the chat is open, look for the option labeled Current Time Request. Clicking this will bring up the full conversation history for that specific chat. It is important to ensure that you are viewing the correct chat before proceeding to the next step. Now click on the Share button. This action will provide you with several options for saving or sharing the chat. You should see various icons or links that allow you to choose how to proceed with saving the chat. Following this, click on Highlight. This will enable you to select specific portions of the chat that you may want to save or emphasize. Ensure that you highlight the relevant sections that contain important information. Next, click on Copy Text. This action will copy the highlighted portions of the chat to your clipboard. You can now paste this text into a document or note-taking application for safekeeping. Finally, click on Copy Link. This will generate a shareable link to the chat. You can send this link to others or save it for your records. It is advisable to check your internet connection and ensure you have sufficient storage space if you plan to save large amounts of text. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.